Namaskar. In this video, I will discuss about the genuine experience. By developing various feelings and sensations in Yoga Nidra, you are advising yourself of the real experience. When you are tasting a particular fruit, at that minute you actually experience it, but after a couple of days, weeks or months, you can only envision the experience. You cannot manifest the real taste experience due to the fact that of the inability of the untrained mind to bring the experiences of the past into today. The different experiences which people have in their lives lie buried in the past. What stays in the mind and in the brain is only a memory, not a real experience. However, in Yoga Nidra, not simply the memory, but the actual experience itself can eventually be recreated by means of this samatha psychic path. Then one not just strongly keeps in mind discomfort or pleasure, heat or cold, etc., but relives it, even to the degree of awakening physiological responses of sweating, shivering, etc. In yogic terms, this capability to entirely relive a past experience is one requirement of an evolved and truly creative mind. After hearing some lovely music which you like, you will certainly remember it. You might even envision or feel it, but if you close your eyes and actually begin to hear that music inside, precisely as you heard it initially, it is an exploding experience of truth which changes the whole structure of the mind completely. This is why in Yoga Nidra the experiences of enjoyment and pain, cold and heat, lightness and heaviness, must be given the leading edge of the mind as real experiences. If you are trying to feel heaviness, you should feel your body so heavy that even if you wish to lift your hands or feet, you will not have the ability to do so. Or if you are feeling heat, you must feel the heat in such a method that you might even perspire. Just to remember or feel heat is inadequate. It needs to end up being a genuine, living experience.